Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm always looking for new radios to review, and I ran across something I did not realize, and I don't know how long it's existed, is RadioShack is selling radios on Amazon. And here's one that caught my eye right here. I didn't realize they were doing it. I don't know how long they've been doing it. Let me go back a little bit. Uh, Yeah, here's a search I did on Radio Shack. And like here's another item, antenna mounted high gain signal amplifier. Here's a soldering iron. I did not know they were selling on Amazon. They've got a lot of stuff on sale for Amazon. Now, I did do some research when I ran across this, and I've got it right here. And it came up and said that Radio Shack is currently owned by Unicommerce Group. I didn't know that. I know they had been sold several times. And here's kind of a history. They've been, okay, they were acquisitioned by this group in 2023, and headquarters in El Salvador. That's really weird. Here's recent owners, e-commerce, from 2020 to 2023. I remember that. And then also Standard General Wireless from 2015 to 2020. And then, of course, well known is Tandy Corporation, 1963 to 2000. And I used to buy a lot of products from Radio Shack via local stores. Yeah, one was about a couple of miles from me. Used to get batteries from them and everything, but I did not realize. And like I say, maybe it's been on Amazon for a while and I just didn't know it. This one right here is I got a message from Amazon that this was available. Ooh, look at the rating though. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So I didn't buy it. Now, another thing I did is I, again, looking for radios to review. I ran across this radio. This is another Choyong, and this is the WT2 multifunction walkie-talkie, but it's also a multi-band internet radio. And I think it was Fred in the Shed. He did a review of it, and he really liked it. It's a little pricey, but it gives you a lot of functions. Now, their radios are fairly expensive. I have requested from them a review of one of their popular radios and see if I can find it here for you. Yeah, this one right here. This is, I think, like $250. And I don't remember. I don't know if they turned me down or just ignored my request. Now, I also requested one of my other sellers that have sent me radios, this one, and they said they're waiting for the new version to come out that fix some of the basic problems with this radio. This one has some reception problems. This is a brand new radio to me, and it, look what it supports: public network intercom, FM and shortwave, can receive over 50,000 streaming stations, and this is unbelievable. It uses Chat GPG. It's easy for me to say. Yeah, it uses this, and then it connects to the internet via um, either a SIM card or Wi-Fi. Well, I don't know. may be tempted to save up my coins here that I get from my YouTube videos and my Amazon store and get one of these. Let me look at something here real quick, and I can't find it. Let's go down here. Okay, so it's always been $119. And I think it's only been on the market for since like November, I think. Yeah. And I just ran across it when I was searching for new radios to review. So it's new to me. It's got 4.1 stars, so people seem to like it. Yeah, I have to put this on my wish list, and when I get enough money from my commissions, give me one. It's the show to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.